Since inception, the program has achieved worldwide recognition. It has helped the UAE bolster its position as the hub of rain enhancement research, as well as an active facilitator for global research collaboration and knowledge transfer in this vital field. In line with the UAE's strategic objectives, the program aims to support the sustainability and continuity of access to water during normal and extreme emergency conditions. To this end, the UAE is home to one of the most prominent international events in the field, as well as hosting webinars connecting experts, scientists, and decision makers from across the globe. Through the UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement Science, we are leading the way in promoting research and innovation as we aim to tackle global water scarcity.
And that was your intro, ladies and gentlemen. With that, let us just mention that the UAE has become a focal point for promoting cutting-edge research in rain enhancement science. The program represents the UAE's ambition to advance and lead the development of rain enhancement science through the most advanced technologies and solutions. It is now our pleasure, with this introduction, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome Ms. Alia Al-Mazrou'i, Director of the UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement Science, UAE Rep, to deliver her keynote speech. Can we please welcome her?
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Your Excellencies, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement Science 4th Cycle Awards Ceremony. Thank you for joining us at the magnificent UAE Pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai for our first in-person ceremony since 2018. While the virtual world allowed us to stay connected online, I think we all agree that we cannot replace physical events. It's really wonderful to reconnect with all of you today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a true honor to host this event under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, UAE Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Presidential Affairs. On behalf of everyone at the UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement Science, I want to thank His Highness and the UAE's wise leadership for their unwavering commitment to helping us achieve our goal of enhancing the nation's water security. Your continued support allows us to look to the future with hope in our hearts and optimism in our minds that we can drive the next 50 years of progress by harnessing breakthrough technologies and further enhance our globally competitive economy. Ladies and gentlemen, water remains our most valuable global resource. By 2025, more than 1.8 billion people could be facing absolute water scarcity. Our already limited supplies of potable water will come under severe pressure as the global population soars by 3 billion over the next 3 decades. The pandemic highlighted this situation, but the UAE's ability to turn a tide of challenges into a sea of opportunities meant we were able to harness the winds of change and begin the future now. At the program, we never slowed down. The pandemic galvanized our resolve, reaffirmed the importance of our objectives, and enhanced our global collaborations. We held our 5th International Rain Enhancement Forum virtually, and we launched our first Rain Enhancement Hub webinar to connect great minds. These achievements underline our determination to advance research, promote scientific progress, and minimize the effects of climate change by leveraging new technologies. Overseen by the National Center of Meteorology, our program is strategically aligned with the UAE's 10 principles for the next 50 years. Our objectives will advance national scientific capabilities, inspire change, and build on the UAE's position as a global hub for talent, investment, and innovation. Since the program's inception, we have forged strong ties with more than 1,800 researchers from over 800 institutions in 70 countries across 5 continents. We have received 451 research proposals, and our awardees have registered 4 patents, published 82 peer-reviewed articles, and joined 103 conferences to promote knowledge exchange. Today, we celebrate the awardees from our program's 4th cycle. These projects and the brilliant scientific minds behind them will build on the achievements of previous awardees and break new ground in the pursuit of big ideas, ideas that empower, ideas that inspire, ideas that offer solutions to our greatest water security challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, so far, we have demonstrated our nation's ability to lead, innovate, and execute on bold, transformative thinking. This has been thanks to a small but mighty team, a team who believes in the power and potential of the science of rain enhancement, a team who knows that the sky is really the limit, and this is just the beginning of our journey. Moving forwards, I know that with the collection of talent and determination in this room today, we can ensure that the future we build is one marked by water security, not water scarcity. Thank you for being with us, and I wish you all a great day ahead.
Our thanks are likely extended to Ms. Ali Al-Masroui for those inspiring words and optimistic viewpoint on the tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, today we honor leading scientists, beautiful minds embodying perseverance and excellence at its best. Among the projects submitted to the program this year are cutting-edge ideas, bringing groundbreaking perspectives to the rain enhancement field in order to tackle water scarcity. Now, let us take a look at how the program team and its respected international list of reviewers selected the best projects in this promising fields. In other words, ladies and gentlemen, the process video.
To help tackle the critical issue of global water scarcity, we are offering grants to exceptional research projects aimed at providing innovative solutions in the field of rain enhancement science. 81 pre-proposals were submitted from 37 countries on 5 continents. The awarding process is expertise in atmospheric, environmental and material sciences. This begins with a call for submissions via letters of intent and brief pre-proposals. The submissions are reviewed and subsequently shortlisted by the evaluation committee before the selected candidates are invited to submit full proposals. Following a rigorous merit review process, the committee nominates the winning proposals. We hope that together with these researchers, we can accelerate innovative solutions that will bring us closer to achieving water security for all.
That is the process. What is left is the results. Ladies and gentlemen, we now welcome and come to the most important item in our agenda. We announce the awardees of the program's 4th cycle. They represent the finest in the scientific community and research world, and in no particular order, we would like to announce the first deserving awardee for the program's fourth cycle. We will get to know them even more personally on the stage later on. But first, ladies and gentlemen, standing here among us is Dr. Luca Delle Monachi, Deputy Director of the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes, CW3E, Scripps Institute of Oceanography, University of California, San Diego, USA. Now, let's have a look at the video that comes with the good doctor.
Rain is essential for life on this planet. The most for humanity is water. So the excitement about contributing towards increasing the water supplies with our prediction capabilities, to me, was a no-brainer in terms of research direction that I wanted to go professionally. The new proposal that has been awarded, it's under the National Center for Meteorology of the UAE.
The infrastructure is in place. They have a network of radars. They have a network of rain gauges, and satellite data exists.
The opportunity with this project is really the marriage of two leading institutions, the UAE Research Program on Rain Enhancement. It's a recognized leading project on the field around the world. Matching with Scripps Institution of Oceanography, which is a more than a century-old research group. And now we're excited about really to push the envelope in machine learning for rain enhancement purposes. We are leveraging cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to estimate both the precipitation at the current time, precipitation in the near future, and even more importantly, cloud seedable features to enhance the precipitation over the UAE. And what we would do with the machine learning algorithm, we will blend together all of this information, trying to clean out the noise out of the data to generate the best estimate at the current time of precipitation and cloud seedable features, and also extrapolate those in the future. By adopting our methodology over several years on average, we can increase the water supplies by between 20 and 30%. So there is a pretty significant impact of these methodologies for water management. Our team is very excited about this project. We're very thankful to the National Center for Meteorology of the UAE for supporting this project. Because if we make seedable operations over the region more effective, it's going to be a very positive impact on the livelihood of society and the public. So that's what is really exciting about it.
Second innovative awardee project from the program's fourth cycle. Ladies and gentlemen, it goes for Dr. Bradley Baker, Principal Investigator at SPEC Incorporated. However, present here with us is his co-PI. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with us Dr. Roelof Bruinjits. And a video as well.
Clouds are a continuously changing phenomenon, and we often want to study cloud processes as they develop with altitude in the cloud. The main goals of our project are to make quality measurements in real clouds with and without the seeding materials to determine whether it leads to real rain enhancement. SPEC Incorporated first began collaborating with the UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement Science in 2017. The current project is essentially a follow-on to that previous project with some much more specific physical hypotheses to test. Researchers at the Khalifa University have created nanomaterial for cloud seeding. Their research suggests this material might be beneficial in promoting enhanced rain in clouds. The Learjet is well suited to cloud physics studies. In particular, it's fast, which allows you to get to a clouds you've identified to study before they've changed too much. In order to make these observations, we have our Learjet outfitted with a suite of instruments designed to measure the concentration of the small droplets and also measure the concentrations of the larger particles in precipitation when it forms. All of us at SPEC Incorporated are very thankful to the UAE Program for Rain Enhancement Science, and we're hopeful that our work will lead to some advancement in the field.
That's a lot of efforts in two videos. Can we have a round of applause for our two good doctors, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at the moment where we invite the UAE Minister of Industry and Advanced Technology, who will be coming to the stage to present the awards on behalf of His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite His Excellency Dr. Sultan Ahmed Al Jaber. Joining him, of course, we request His Excellency Faris Mohammed Al Mazrou'i, Advisor at the Ministry of Presidential Affairs and Chairman of NCM's Board of Trustees, and His Excellency Dr. Abdullah Al Mandous, Director General of NCM and President of the Regional Association to Asia of the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, joining him on the stage for this brilliant award. Ladies and gentlemen, we now call upon our awardees, starting with Dr. Luca Deli Muraki, joining us on the stage to receive the award. Let us give him a round.
Thank you. Thank you.
Of course, congratulations to Dr. Luca, and perhaps you would like to share a few words about this accomplishment.
Yes, thank you. Your Excellencies, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's a real honor to receive this award. I'd like first of all to acknowledge our collaborators, starting from Dr. Duncan Axiza, which is with us today, is the co-PI of the project from Scripps. Also, the team from Colorado State University, led by Professor Chandra, and the team from Khalifa University, led by Ernesto Damiani. We're quite grateful to the support and guidance from the leadership at Abu Dhabi. Also, I'd like to thank the National Center of Meteorology, as well as the UAE Research Program of Rain Enhancement Science, which is giving us a tremendous opportunity to develop new artificial intelligence algorithms to improve rain enhancement operations.
Thank you very much, Dr. Luca.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, regarding our second award, we did announce that it went to Dr. Bradley Baker. However, the good doctor couldn't have made it to the UAE today due to health implications. As we wish him a very speedy recovery, ladies and gentlemen, we call upon his co-PI, Dr. Roylaf Bruinjits. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Congratulations. And Dr. Rolla, perhaps a few words of your own or an address you'd like to pass on.
Thank you. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of my esteemed colleague, Dr. Brad Baker, it's a real honor to receive this distinguished award today. I would like to give special thanks also to our team, Dr. Paul Lawson from Spec Incorporated, the team. Also, as part of our team, we have a team from the University of Reading and from the Finnish Meteorological Institute, and also from Khalifa University to take their research further. I would also like to thank the Abu Dhabi leadership for their support and contribution to this project. I'd also like to thank the National Center for Meteorology in Abu Dhabi for their support and operating this program now for many years. And lastly, but not least, the UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement for organizing these awards. And we look forward and are excited to start the research and take the next step from our previous projects. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Roylaf. And we'd like to ask you, Dr. Roylaf, to remain on stage, and we ask the permission of their excellencies to remain on stage with us, as we would like to call on our awardees to the stage for a group picture. And we call upon Dr. Luca and Miss Alia to the stage. Please welcome them one more time. One more round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And one final request. I would like to call upon their excellencies who are with us here today to join us on the stage as well and make this picture on a bigger size as well. Please join us. Another round of applause, please. Congratulations to our awardees, to our winners, and we extend our thank yous to our excellencies for being here with us at this event. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all of us at the Ministry of Presidential Affairs and National Center of Meteorology, we look forward to welcome you again at the UAE REP. Thank you very much. In the 6th International Rain Enhancement Forum in 2023, which aims to highlight the latest scientific technological advances with a view to finding new water security solutions through rain enhancement. Thank you very much for being here. Have a great day. You're at Expo 2020 Dubai. Make the best of it. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.